So today we have the compass in the shop. By shop I mean my dirty garage, and we are installing the vertical hatch. The vertical hatch is one of the main upgrades people do. Either that or the horizontal hatch, and what that does is it replaces the big circle hatch that Hobie comes with. We are going to be moving that up to the front. You can see right here there's this spot, drill a pilot hole, cut it out, pop the old hatch in, trace it out, pop the hatch right here on this one. So what we're going to do is we are going to clean this up, get the floor all nice for cutting, and make sure the gaskets are in good shape, things like that, the back plate. And then over here, we are going to open up the hatch and get all the pieces ready and do the install. So I'm going to take that apart now. These are weirdly expensive, $137 for a hatch. Told myself I wasn't going to buy it, but then I kept finding myself going back to it, so decided might as well just do it. Alright, so this is a big sticker. It's a pretty nice hatch, but still oddly expensive. Oh, to open that up, we need to install back plate, foam, gasket, bottle opener, and it's got the new style lock, which is much nicer than the old one. So, all right, let's take apart the old one and get this ready to go. right, so I just finished putting in the vertical hatch and installing the old hatch up front. I did have to take the torch to it a little bit just to even out this little area right here. I saw some people on the internet shave this. They sanded it, they hit it with the saw, but the map torch just on the plastic for a little bit let me push it in just fine. The gasket on this hatch was really old. So what I did was put down a little bead of silicone underneath it, very poorly, but as in my bead was terrible, it was ugly, but it'll work. And then that is good to go. I was kind of concerned about this little lip here, but it does seem to close fully. So with that gasket, I'm not too worried about it. I am a little worried because I did not receive the Eva foam little risers that go on the side here. So I'm gonna have to talk to the place I purchased this from today and see if they can give those to me. If not, I'll be reaching out to Hobie. Another modification I did recently, Ozark Trail $3 cup holder, Velcro, boom, I have a cup holder and it's removable. So I've seen a lot of guys, they'll you know, buy the cup holders and modify them to fit there. They'll glue them in, they'll put the GoPro 3M quick mounts, but I think, you know, Velcro and a $3 cup holder works fine for me. And yeah, that's really all we got. So I have a new fish finder showing up hopefully sometime this week. And it'll be going right on this side. It is a 5-inch because the 9-inch was too big. And I felt like the 7 inches, you know, the cheaper ones that have the buttons on the side, they're basically the same size as a 9-inch touchscreen. And I have a 9-inch touchscreen right here. This is what goes on my boat. And I felt like that was just gonna be way too big. I know a lot of people are running 9-inch screens now, but you know, I have a pedal kayak, but I still like to keep kayaks simple compared to how some other people run theirs. Seems like a lot of the freshwater guys love giant screens. I've been seeing live scopes and stuff on kayaks, which is sweet. I just don't think it's for me. Every once in a while, I do like to do some free diving off the kayak, and the more electronics and stuff on there, the least likely I am to do that. Just, you know, gets wet in the waves, gets wet when I'm hopping in and out of the kayak, just more to go wrong. So yeah, I think hatches are going to be good for now, plus the new fish finder. I'll probably get a bucket to go in here. Haven't decided if I'll get the Burley Pro bucket or the Hobie bucket. I feel like the Burley Pro bucket for $50 is a better deal than the Hobie bucket for, I don't even know how much they want for it. It's like $40 for a piece of Tupperware. It's pretty ridiculous. But yeah, we'll see.